is I want to go ahead and bring a few people here so they can come on the panel and give their testimony on what MyEcon has done for them. Hey, Joseph, if you're available for a testimony, brother, turn on your camera, Joseph. Awesome, you're available. Hey, Joseph, if you can share your story on what MyEcon has done for you, I would appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and unmute you right now.
Can you guys hear me all right?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Thanks, Javier. Like Javier said, my name's Joseph. I joined MyEcon. It's been a little over 2 months now. Like most, I was skeptical. I was sitting there trying to find the right thing to do, try to make money from home. I signed up under Alex, which I followed him for, I want to say 6-7 months before I finally decided that this was the opportunity for me after watching the presentation. And my thing was I wanted to make more money from my paychecks was the main thing, since my wife lost her job or had to quit her job due to the pandemic to homeschool our kids. So I had to find a way to bring in more money to help support my family. And now I see the benefits, and I want to make this full time because I want to spend time with my family. I get to see my wife getting to spend all the time with the kids and just kind of enjoying the better parts of life. And I want to do that because I've been working my whole life and busting my knuckles, going to the deployments and being in the Army for 9 years. I'm ready for a break. I want to spend time with my family. So if you're wanting a business opportunity, there's no better business than this. You can't start any other business for $29.95. So let's go get started today. Thanks, Javier.
Absolutely. Hey, thank you for sharing the awesome testimony, Joseph. We appreciate that, the awesome testimony. And look, like he said, look, he was in the Army for 9 years, and now he is ready to go ahead and build this empire here with MyEcon. The next individual I want to bring here to give us a testimony is actually Joseph's mother, right? Diana. Hey, Diana, I see you here on the Zoom panel. If you're able to give us a quick testimony, that would be awesome. You know, everyone wants to hear your story on why you got started here with MyEcon. I went ahead and unmute you.
Hey, Javier. Hi, Stephanie. Thanks for asking me to give my testimony. I'm Diana. I'm Joe's mom. I signed up under him. He actually signed up like about a week or so. And then I asked him about it and signed up. A lot has happened since I've signed up. I signed up a little over 2 months ago. I was working at the time, and I did the W4 strategy right away. And I was able to get about $200 more a month on my paycheck. Very simple process, no big deal to it. Then I started working on my credit, and my score has actually gone up a little bit, but I'm not done with the process yet. So I'm pretty excited about that I'm already seeing results in that respect. And then last week, today actually, I lost my job because I had to make a decision to stay down here in Nebraska with my sister because our dad is not doing well. So it's kind of a blessing to me in disguise, like one of our team leaders said to me today, because now I can work on this full time. I was only being able to do it part-time. I worked on it as much as I could. And even though we're going through this with my father right now and having to do a lot, I still have a lot of time that I can work on it. So I'm pretty excited about that because chances are I won't be moving back up to North Dakota because I'm all my sister has. And once our dad goes, I'm all she has. So I'll be talking to my people down here because I moved from here. So I know a lot of people around here. It's easy. This is an absolute no-brainer. $29.95, sign up, see the potential in this opportunity. You're not going to see any other opportunity better than this. The training is amazing. The team leaders are amazing. Everybody is for everybody, and you just got to do it. It's a no-brainer. Thank you, Javier.
Thank you for sharing the awesome testimony, Diana. Hey, setting prayers, and positive energy for your father. And sometimes it is a blessing in disguise to be able to do this full time, And while you did have your job, you even gave yourself a $200 a month pay raise at your job when you had your job. So you got instant results anyways, right?
Yep.
So congratulations. Thank you for sharing your story.
Thank you.
The next person I want to bring, hey, April, I know you gave yourself a pay raise. I even know that you even use a My Credit system, and you've also seen results through the business. If you can share with people what MyEcon has done for you, that would be amazing.
Okay, can y'all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Awesome. Hey, yes, again, my name is April. I've actually been with MyEcon already for about a year, and it's been an amazing opportunity for me. I've actually, the whole reason why I joined MyEcon was because I wanted to fix my credit. And so as I was following the training, I kid you not, on my first dispute letters, it was amazing. I mean, I had my school loan got removed, and my school loan was about $19,000, and it got removed on the first dispute letters. Yes. So that is awesome. And then on top of that, the W-4 strategy, I do too work a full-time job. And when I was reading about the W-2, I also did the adjustment with that as well. And I actually gave myself a pay increase of $200 extra. So it's been very helpful. This extra money has helped me out a lot. It's paid a lot of bills off. So that's why I was able to also raise my credit score, because everything combined, it all goes together, it all makes sense. So, but, one more thing. I also have exciting news. Ever since I have fixed my credit, I was able to get myself a brand new $50,000 2020 Ford F-150, brand new, 3 miles. I mean, I drove it off the lot. It was amazing. And I thank MyEcon because of the system. That's why I was able to get a brand new truck.
Wow. Hey, that testimony is so powerful, April. I didn't even know that you removed over $19,000 in student loans. That's the first time I ever hear that. That's from you, right? Because there's a lot of people who have removed student loans, but the first time I heard that from you, that's an amazing testimony. You bought a brand new car. Man, MyEcon has given you tremendous results. And come on.
The genuine happiness that it brings to your heart that we just saw makes me so happy. Like, personally, it makes my heart happy to see you that happy.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
No, absolutely. Listen up, guys. Every single one of these testimonies, they are real, right? They are authentic, real testimonies. The next testimony I want to bring here, hey, Latoya, if you can share your quick testimony. I know MyEcon has done a lot of amazing things for your life. If you can share with everyone what MyEcon has done for you personally, I will truly appreciate it. I'm gonna meet you right now. Oh, hold on. I'm looking for you. I had my mouse right over you. You just disappeared. Hold on. Oh, there you are. Okay, I just muted.
Hey, how y'all be? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right, cool. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Latoya Rice. I've actually been with MyEcon for about 3 years now. I'm so excited about this opportunity and us being able to, just share this opportunity with you all. This is a Black-owned business. I want you guys to know that before I joined MyEcon, my credit was in the hole, honey. I was living paycheck to paycheck. I was being overtaxed at my job for 10 plus years. And so what ended up happening, I came across this opportunity. First of all, let me say this. The opportunity was $99.95 when I came across it. So for you guys to have this opportunity to get started with this amazing company for only $29.95 is nothing. Okay, so I tell everybody, hey, make that investment because it's going to change your life. Okay, so when I got plugged in, you guys, to MyEcon, I went through the training, got plugged in with the W-4 income shifting strategy, you guys, and I ended up bringing home more than $500 on my paycheck every 2 weeks. So that's well over $1,000. So let me tell you guys, with that extra money, what I've been able to do, okay? With that extra money, I've been able to have an emergency fund. I've been able to have a checking account and a savings account. I was able to pay my truck off. Okay. We were able to buy this house, and also I worked on my credit too. So not only did this opportunity help me with my cash flow, but it also helped me with learning how to build up my credit and also how to make investments. When I tell you guys, when you get linked up with MyEcon, okay, you are going to learn strategies of the wealthy. This is going to help you build a financial portfolio that's going to change your life completely. And when I tell you guys, if it was not for MyEcon, I wouldn't have an emergency fund. I wouldn't be a homeowner. I wouldn't be able to own my truck. You know what I mean? Be able to afford a foreign vehicle, help my husband with repairing his credit. Like, it's just so much that this opportunity has allowed me to do and has opened up so many doors and opportunities just when it comes to being an at-home entrepreneur, you guys. So I just want you guys to know this opportunity, I'm telling you, if you get plugged in and you basically do everything, switch your W-4, work on your credit. If you plug these strategies into your everyday life, it works. It works, you guys. And I'm a living testimony that it works. And if it wasn't for this company, like, I wouldn't be able to be home and actually enjoy my house. You know what I mean? Like, I get to enjoy my house. I'm in charge of my own schedule. I can do this part-time or full-time. But right now I am doing this part-time because I do work another job. But when I tell you guys, just having the extra stream of income, having a credit up to 790, being able to have the opportunity to improve my credit. Like, we literally, when did we refinance this house? In February? We refinanced our house. Our mortgage payments went down, okay? Our mortgage payments went down because we built our credit up so strong. So I tell people that this is a blessing. I tell people all the time, like, this opportunity has really, really helped me just boss my whole life up, just period. Like, I'm telling y'all from experience, like, I would have never known about Fidelity investments if it wasn't for MyEcon. I wouldn't know anything about how important it is to have a 750 plus credit score. Like, this time is now. Now that everybody is at home, everybody is still on lockdown. Some people are furloughed. Some people don't even have a job, okay? Some people need to know about these strategies of the wealthy because it's going to really help you just build your life up to a better lifestyle. At the end of the day, that's what it's about. And being able to provide for your family, and building an awesome future. And maybe one day you could be a homeowner. You get what I'm saying? Or you could own a 2020 vehicle like our business partner just told us. You know what I mean? Get those student loans off your credit. It's so much that you can do with this company. So those of you who are tuned in, let me just say this call of action. Those of you who are tuned in right now, I need you guys to take action on tonight, because let me tell you guys something. We are giving trainings. We are giving these calls. We are basically helping you get plugged in. So this is the opportunity now for you to join, okay? While we have the momentum, while this is still on this promotion with this amazing cost to get started, you need to go ahead and join now, okay, guys? So that's my time. Thank you, Javier, so much for allowing me to give my testimony, and peace and blessings, everybody.
Absolutely. Thank you for sharing that with everybody. That is one awesome testimony. Look, MyEcon has changed her lifestyle drastically. And look, we are so happy and grateful to have you here on our team. And it's now time to go and continue building this business, right? So the next person that I want to bring here to give his testimony is my brother here. Look, this individual joined back in 2018, okay? And guys, listen to this one last testimony. Once you have heard this one last testimony, you will reach out to whoever invited you. Make sure you get started right now. Tell them I am ready to get started. If you're watching on Facebook, make sure you reach out to whoever Facebook watch party you're watching. Tell them I am ready to get started. But first, listen to this one last testimony. This individual, right, joined back in 2018, had no experience in how to build a home-based business, and he was able to make 6 figures with MyEcon. Hey, Alex, if you couldn't go ahead and share MyEcon has done for you, that would be awesome. Oh, I think I muted the wrong person. Why does it always do that? Let me look for Alex. Alex, you see Alex anywhere?
Alex,
there you go.
All right, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, so hi everyone. My name is Alex. Like Javier said, I joined MyEcon in July of 2018. The reason why I joined was because during that time, I was actually I was unemployed. I have been working in corporate America for many, many years and was laid off unexpectedly. So I was just pretty much desperate to make money, guys. I have a daughter. I'm a family man. So I have people that were counting on me. Now, when I plugged into this opportunity, I was fortunate enough to actually, I just checked my back office, guys. I was able to earn $3,500 within my first 30 days into this business. Okay, that's what I was able to generate, and it was a huge blessing for me because going from having a overdrawn bank account, right, to 30 days later having these checks coming in. It just kind of put me in a state of mind where I was just saying to myself, Alex, I could actually turn this into a real career, right? So I took this business serious. I ran with it. I to this day, I'm treating this like a real business. As far as the services, guys, the credit repair, I've been able to use for myself and raise my score by around 140 points. Okay, just using the MyEcon credit repair system. I've been able to. I had a car repo on my report that I was able to get removed. Several credit cards that I had on my credit report, able to remove. My wife, I was actually to fix her credit as well. A couple of months ago, she got herself a brand new Infiniti, her dream car, 0 down, low monthly payment. And as a matter of fact, she started helping me build this business, and she is also getting a residual check from MyEcon every single month. So that residual check actually covers her car note and her premium, right? Her car insurance. So guys, this business has been truly, and this is not to sound like a cliche story or anything like that, but this business has truly changed my life. I went from struggling, not knowing where my next meal was going to come from, to getting started with this business, and helping other people in the process, right? I've shared this opportunity with hundreds of people. I get people messaging me every single week that they've seen an increase in their paycheck, right? An extra $300, $500, $800 per month. So for me personally, I see myself with this company for the next, several years, because this is it's a great opportunity. I highly encourage anyone who's watching, get on board with us. This is a movement, and I can't wait to see you guys on the team. So that's my time, Javier.
Let's go. Hey, thank you for sharing that awesome testimony with everyone, Alex. We appreciate it. One last thing I want to say before we end this live video, okay? Listen up, guys. I'm a strong believer that if you put it off for later, okay, you will never get it done. You will never do it. And as a matter of fact, I have something back here that I actually put. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says right here, if you never try, you'll never know. So what you need to do right now, you need to reach out to whoever invited you to this call. You need to tell them, I am ready to get started right now. If you're watching on Facebook, if you're watching on a Facebook watch party, comment down below saying I'm ready to get started, or simply message the person who's at a Facebook watch party you're watching and tell them, hey, get me started, sign me up. And with that said, okay, we'll be seeing you inside of Team Six Figures. Everyone have an awesome night. God bless. Peace.
Bye, guys.